We talked about the impact that what you eat can have on your arthritis, but did you know that how you eat can be just as important? The way you and your family approach eating can have a big impact on how easy it is for you to follow a healthy eating plan. It's not just what you eat, it's how. So the first step is to start planning healthy meals. Get everybody involved, the whole family, and cook ahead, plan ahead. This way you're not left scrambling at the last minute and just grabbing whatever's hanging around. It's really important to cook most of your food from scratch. That way you know exactly what's going into your food. But if you find cooking difficult, there's lots of solutions and strategies for you. It can be as simple as buying pre-cut vegetables. And if that doesn't work for you and you have more difficulty, well, there's lots of solutions that will help you to protect your joints. Consult the resources from the Arthritis Society, or maybe ask for some help from an occupational therapist. Take the time to eat. It's way more enjoyable. You'll digest better. You'll taste your food. And an added bonus is you'll notice when you're starting to feel full. The most important thing is to enjoy. Food is a social activity. Make preparation and eating a fun time to be together with your friends and family. Food is a great way to experiment and learn about different tastes and different cultures. So have a lot of fun with it and really experiment. And you must remember that what works for you might not work for your friend, but also what works for your friend might not work for you. If you'd like to develop a healthier eating pattern, the best thing to do is to start by consulting with your physician or with your registered dietitian. You can also have a look at Canada's Food Guide. It's got lots of information on what to eat to have a healthier diet and on how to eat to have a healthier diet. For more detailed information and tips on how to live well with arthritis, visit arthritis.ca/education.